Photos aren't simply images, they can be used to make money as long as you know how to use them. Isn't it incredible? Take a look at this. A single photograph may cost up to $100. Also, you won't need any sophisticated gear or camera equipment to do this project. If you want to learn how to do it quickly and easily, keep watching as I show you how to use a free tool and website to make hundreds, and even thousands, of dollars online. Without further ado, I'll introduce you to the first website where you can work in as little as 5 minutes. What I'm about to show you is a website where you can acquire free photographs and make money from them. Keep watching to make sure you don't miss anything while I show you how to accomplish it. The first thing you should do is go to your browser and type spark.adobe.com into the address bar. It's a free application with a variety of templates that tell you how to generate high-quality design ideas by just clicking and dragging. All you have to do now is go to Adobe Spark to learn more about the different types of designs you can make with this program. You can also create a social media graphic by taking a picture and applying design filters or animation to it to make it stand out and create a high-quality design. They also have other functions, such as the ability to create videos, but all focus on the photographs. There's no need to be concerned because it can all be done using your smartphone, whether it's an iOS or Android device. Get started with Adobe Spark by going to spark.adobe.com. You may now sign up for a free account using your email, Adobe ID, Facebook, or Apple ID. Once you've chosen the account you'd want to establish, log in and you'll be immediately sent to a new account. When you create a new Adobe Spark account, you'll get access to all of these pre-made graphic designs. All you have to do now is change the text to make it your own personal design. By developing Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, and branded photos, as well as flyers, ebook covers, and book covers, you might end up making hundreds or even thousands of dollars with the websites that I'll share with you. For instance, if I want to use the flyer design template, I'll just click on it to demonstrate how simple it is. Even if you have no prior graphic design experience, all you have to do now is wait for them to transfer your design so that you can fully tweak or adjust your template. Simply double-click the text and type whatever you wish, such as passive income, before clicking done. This image will now change on the right-hand side, and you may also alter the colors, fonts, and size to your liking. If I prefer this one, I may select Create from this template, wait for it to load, and then make changes. It's really easy to use because it's already done for you 99% of the time. All that remains is for you to change the text and save it to your PC. You can change the background photo by replacing or removing it, or by adding more filters to the background. You can use those templates to make a wide range of designs. After you've finished editing the design, you may save it to your computer by downloading it. It's really as simple as that, and you can do it as many times as you want. If you want to remove the watermark as well, simply take a snapshot of the image using any screenshot program you have on your computer, such as the snipping tool, and delete the bottom watermark. Let me show you the website where your Adobe Spark projects can earn you hundreds of dollars. This is designcrowd.com, where you can get paid for any logo designs, business cards, site design, flyer design, or graphic design that you can think of. If I select graphic designers from this designers category, people from all over the world will be making money. If we look at logo designers, we can find that they are generating even more money. With designcrowd.com, a terrific website that pays a good sum for designs, there is a lot of money to be made. If you wish to concentrate on flyer design, you may click on that and get a list of open projects where you can submit your design and be paid. You could use that time to create a banner ad, app icons, or a Facebook design to start using designcrowd.com. You could get compensated for one single image that you sent over there for one single design that you can complete in minutes with Adobe Spark. To join for free, go to the website and click the Join for Free option. Click on Let's Go after entering your email address and creating a password. Once you've signed up and registered into your new account, you can begin browsing all of these different assignments. When you find one that appeals to you, simply click on it, submit your design, and wait to see if you've made any money. Just simply following these steps, in no time you will be able to make hundreds of dollars. So register now. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.